All right, so here we are, Cocktails with Squib on the road again. This time I'm with RowCall219 in Indiana, and we're going to try out some beer from Nebraska that Travis P11 sent with me to bring over this way. This is Zipline Dear Old Nebraska Brew. This is the official beer of Nebraska alumni. It's 4.8% alcohol by volume, and it's a lager. These are chilled and ready to go, so let's get out the K-Bar bottle opener here. Get it on the right way there. Row?
Sounds good.
Let's try it out. You'll get both of our opinions on this Nebraska beer.
Here we go.
Okay.
Smooth.
It is a lager. It is smooth. It's a little bit bitter on the back end, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, not like
not bad,
like a store. I don't want to call it like a mainstream brand lager or pilsner.
Nothing like Samuel Adams. It's almost got its own flavor.
Yeah. Yeah, that bitterness. Yeah, but that bitterness on the back end does kind of remind me a little bit of an ale. It's not overwhelming. It's not, but this is smooth though.
Yeah, it's smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I've had a beer that tastes like this.
4.8%, huh?
Yeah. Zipline. And whenever I'm traveling, I like to try out something from another place, especially something that isn't necessarily shipped out, that sort of thing. So this was a good chance to try out something from Nebraska. Travis, I appreciate you sending it or giving it to me to bring this way. And RowCall, any final thoughts on the beer?
Beer's smooth. It has a hint of bitter on the backside of the aftertaste, but I could drink them.
Okay. All right.
I'm not a lager person.
Yeah,
you know me.
you're not a lager pilsner kind of guy. You're an IPA kind of guy.
I'm an IPA guy. I'm a hoppy kind of guy, but this is manageable.
And I'm kind of the opposite. I don't really go for IPAs or ales or things like that. I do like the Belgian pale ales a little bit and stuff. So I was kind of interested to see just what your take was on it because our palates are so different when it comes to beer. But I like it. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
I would definitely want to have this again next time I'm in Nebraska.
I'd like to get it off a tap.
Oh yeah.
I'd like to get it off
okay,
a tap,
yeah, because that
tap. Sometimes getting beer off tap will enhance the flavors of the beer.
Yeah.
And that happens a lot with IPAs. A lot with the IPAs when you do it in a bottle or definitely in a can, it changes the flavoring of it. But when you get it straight out of a tap and it's a decent tap where it's got a good cooling system in it, it'll probably taste really awesome. Really awesome.
Yeah, I've noticed that too now that you mention that. It is different on tap. Yeah. So next time either one of us are in Nebraska, maybe we should look for this on tap.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's somewhere. If anybody out there knows where this might be on tap, go ahead and leave something in the comment section below. And Row, thanks for helping me do this Cocktails with Squib on the road.
Hey, thanks for bringing beer to my house in a rainstorm.
In a rainstorm. Hey, you know what? We're not gonna. The beer deliveries will not stop. There might be a shortage of truck drivers, but I'll drive the beer over. So, all right, everybody. Thanks for watching. See you around the internet.